Your search for peace, for long-lasting joy, for happiness, for healing depends on this. To uncover, we must travel 2,000 years and bring back wisdom that still speaks today. In that time, 3 statements were made. The statements could literally change the way you approach finding peace within yourself. Each of the statements has power, but the last one, wait for it, this can literally change the way you see peace going forward. First statement, let the little children come to me, for the kingdom is like them. Number 2, righteousness, peace, and joy. And number 3, when he was asked where the kingdom is, the answer came. He said, don't look here or there. The kingdom is within you. Why children? On this first statement. 3 statements, 3 audiences, 1 story that no one is connecting. Why children? Children haven't built a memory fortress they are fighting really hard to protect. Imagine you have a white piece of paper and you have scribbled lines on them. Before the lines on the paper were drawn, you had a white piece of paper. The lines aren't the paper. The lines could simply mean events and stories over time. You see, your mind begins to build memories and store them on your behalf in order to keep you safe, protecting your body, mind. Children have no memory fortress to protect. When a child sees a tree, the child isn't comparing the tree to another tree. They are. When the child sees a human, they are not comparing this one with another. They have no database to scroll through and search through to protect. A child is simply pure awareness, experiencing life. That right there is the kingdom, living without memories. If you can leave this world without memory, you may have successfully escaped this world alive. And that right there is peace. Number 1, the kingdom, children, peace, children. When you are in the kingdom, peace is automatic. But you know what it really means to live in the kingdom. In this case, you have to leave this world without memories. Leave this world without memories, because before memories came, you were there. You are that which is aware of memories. Number 2, righteousness, peace, and joy is the kingdom. We are not talking about being right here. We are not talking about being morally justified. We are not talking about being right either. It has nothing to do about your list of to-dos, your A's, you're doing the best, you're the best in class, you have so much to do. Guess what? You've been doing so much in the past and so far away from peace. It isn't moral, right? It has nothing to do with you being morally right. Righteousness is being true to self, being truthful to self. Why children? They had no memory fortress to protect. Before memory emerged, you were there. Be truthful to who you are. Being truthful to yourself. The self that is void of memories. If you can find yourself, if you can find that which is aware of all experiences, then you may have found peace and joy. You are that which is aware. And number 3, the most important. And he was asked also, where is the kingdom? When the answer came, it wasn't after you die, or somewhere you have to travel to, or something in the future. Do you know what the answer is? It is within you, here and now. Why children? Why righteousness? And again, why within you and not a distant location that you have to, walk into? It is here and now. Right now, I want you to look at something. I want you to look at them as a child would. Look at them, whatever it is you're looking at right now, and I want you to look at them as though it is the first time you've seen it. Whatever it is you're looking at, I want you to look at them like a child would, and as though they were appearing to you for the very first time. You are not your memories. These are events. While you may work really hard to protect what those memories are, you are the veil on which all of this is appearing. You are that base, that foundation on which appearances unfolds. You are that. And I really hope to hear from you. Tell me what your experiences were when you tried looking at something as though they were appearing to you for the first time. When you tried looking at something as though you were a child. Live without memory. Bye for now.